How to fix a air conditioner when the air conditioner are kill. Step 1. Put your body inside the place where the air conditioner condenser is. Almost there. Very good. Step 2. Obtain bubbles. Step 3. Proceed to blow bubbles.
Blowing bubbles, man, just like that. Blowing bubbles, man, just like that. Blowing bubbles, man, just like that. Just like that, just like that. I'm blowing bubbles, man, just like that. I'm blowing bubbles, man, just like that. I'm blowing bubbles, man, just like that. Just like that, just like that.
Blow a few more bubbles for good measure. Hooray, it are fix. All finished. Now wasn't that easy, thanks to bubbles? Look inside the air conditioner thing and make sure it's doing something. Looking good. Guess it appears to be doing something. Definitely doing something. Remove your body from the place with the air conditioning thing and enjoy your cool house.